In this video guide, I want to show you how you can customize your sounds in your smartphone using a custom sound that you can download or you can also create, and you can use Mp3 or WAV file. So I'm gonna use for this example a website that is called Freesound, where you can find a lot of free sounds that are mostly CC0, so that you can use it anyhow you want it. And I also dedicated another video guide to freesound.org, which is this website right here. Now I'm going to show you how you can bring a custom music or sound effects inside your ringtone or your alarm. So the first thing we need to do, we can do it both in using your smartphone or using a PC. So in the Windows here. So I'm just going to show you the first one, which is going to be simpler and it's going to be directly in your smartphone. So the first thing you need to do here, this is the smartphone right here, is to access the Freesound website here in the browser that you have on your smartphone. So I'm just gonna type here freesound.org and it should appear right here. There you go. So you see the same website here on my PC and here on my smartphone. Now, the other thing you can do here real quick, and again, if you want to know more about Freesound, I created another video guide, so we're going to go straight here to the point. So I'm going to go here to search, and I'm going to type something. So, for example, I can type here techno, okay, and then just search. So it's going to give me all these results, and I can zoom in here and press play and hear all these different sounds. Okay, let's say that this is the one that I like. You can see this is MP3, but you can also find WAV or other files. So if I like this, I will click there, and this is going to be the download page. Now remember that before you can actually download sounds from Freesound and music, you need to have an account. So you need to register with an email and a password. So this is the author right here, by the way, but this is CC0, so I can just use it anyhow I want and click on download, and this is gonna be downloaded. You can see it's telling me that the file is downloaded. So in this moment I have it in my smartphone. So if I go back to the settings of my smartphone, so usually I just tap my finger and move it up to show the settings. So you need to go there in the settings, you can type sound, and you can go here to sound and vibration. This is the settings page that you want to reach, and this is where you can define the ringtone and the alarm. So you can see I've already set up the ringtone right here, and you can see you have the option here to choose a local ringtone or just go for the pre-installed ringtones. And you can also search for things here that you can find directly in your smartphone. But in this video, we're going to see how you can apply a custom sound. So I'm just going to go back to show you that using the ringtone, the alarm is the same thing. So if I go here in the alarm, you can go to choose local ringtone, and again, you will find the same exact options. So it's the same exact process to apply a ringtone or an alarm. So I'm going to go to ringtone and click on choose local ringtone, and then go to the file manager. Now you can see you can also record yourself or you playing a guitar and use the same technique, so the same process to apply it. So I'm just going to use the file manager, and you can see there on the top there's my latest MP3 that I have just downloaded, but I also downloaded here this WAV and this other file. So if I just click on that empty circle and then I say okay, and then just to confirm, now it's in my ringtones, and just to confirm I need to apply. So if I click apply, I'm gonna apply it. Now you can see that little icon of a phone telling me that this is now my ringtone. So if I just want to hear it, I just can tap here with my finger, and this is a play orange button, and now I'm playing the music. Okay, and I can continue here to hear all the other. This one here, actually, I got it from the ones that I find in my phone. Well, I'm gonna go for this and click apply. Okay, now in the second part of the video, I wanna show you how you can do the same exact thing, but you can do it via computer or desktop, laptop, whatever you want. So essentially, we need to do the same thing, but we need to do it here using a web browser on our desktop or laptop or well, whatever, Windows, PC. And the folder here that you see is actually my phone being connected with a USB cable. So if you connect and you allow the transfer of files, you can just use the MP3 files or WAV files that you have in your computer. And again, I'm using freesound.org, but this is just an example. You can get MP3 from anywhere on the web. You can also convert videos in MP3. You can do really a lot of things. You can record yourself and so on. So what you need to do here is just choose a folder. Now you can see there are many folders here, and you have also a ringtones folder, but if you want to keep it just as we did before, you can just go and save it in the download folder right here. So, well, these are the two files that I already downloaded. So again, I'm gonna go into Freesound, and well, I just missed my cable. Okay, I reconnected. So I'm just gonna show you here the smartphone that has been connected, and just gonna jump here in my download folder, and okay, so here I need to access again the website, and again let's look for punk, okay, or whatever. There you go. So you can press play, you can hear, and if you like it, just click there, download. All right, and then you can see this is the file. Let's open up the folder where it has been saved, and just I'm gonna right click, copy, and here right click, paste. That's all you need to do, and let's search it. So let's type punk, and there it is. So this is the one that I've just inserted. So all you need to do is the same thing that we did before, using the download folder directly in the smartphone. So there are two ways essentially to do the same thing. So you can pick the one that you prefer. Usually when we work here in the desktop or laptop, we have a bigger window if we want to check all the information here that we have on the different files, and you can work a little bit better essentially just downloading and then copy and pasting here in the download folder of your smartphone. So this will be all for this video guide. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please subscribe to the channel. You can leave your comments, which could be questions, or you can ask for assistance, or there can also be suggestions for other users of our community or our channel. And also check our other video guides about smartphone, about sounds, 3D, music, video editing, 3D design, and so many more. So you can check the channel. We have a lot of video courses and video guides of different topics and different fields of interest. And so thanks for watching, and if you want to support us with a little thank you, you can do it just by joining the channel. That's gonna support us a lot. So thanks again, and see you in the next video guide.